Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to Akshara IIT Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. Yeah. So I think in our previous class we discussed about that exponents and powers, but last problem I left in between because of the lack of the time I left there. So let me complete that problem. Then let us go to the next topic. Okay, na? Linear equations topic I am going to start today. Right. The given problem is x equals to, I think this one, yeah, 20th problem. That is given that x equals to 2 plus 3 power 2 by 3 plus 3 power 1 by 3. Then the value of, we need to find the value of x cube minus 6x square plus 3x minus 2. We need to find this value. Okay. So from the given statement, I can take that plus 2. I'm just going to transpose towards the left hand side. Then it will be x minus 2 is equals to 3 power 2 by 3, 3 power 1 by 3. Okay. To removing these cubes, 3 per whole to the power of 1 by 3 is nothing but a cube root, right? We discussed in that exponents and powers. Nth root a is nothing but a power 1 by n. Okay, a power 1 by n is nothing but nth root. Same way, to removing this 3 and just cubing on both sides. What I need to do? Cubing on both sides. That means the left hand side will be in the form of x minus 2 whole cube, and this one x power 3 power 2 by 3 and 3 power 1 by 3 whole cube. Now left hand side is in the form of a minus b whole cube formula. What is a minus b whole cube formula? A minus b whole cube equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, or we can write minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This formula also we can use. So same formula I am going to apply here. A cube, that means x cube minus b cube, 2 cube value 8. Okay, minus 3a square b. 3a square means x square, b means 2, plus 3ab square. Okay, no? This is the a minus b expansion, whole cube expansion. Right hand side I am using the formula a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Same formula I am using, this formula. So that means a cube 3 power 2 by 3 whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, now let us see this one. So from this x cube is as it is minus 8 minus 3 2s are 6 minus 6x square, 2 square value 4, 4 3 is 12, 12x. Okay, so that equals to, there a power m whole power n formula we can apply, then cube 1 by 3 can be cancelled, 3 square value becomes 9. Here also 1 by 3, 3 cancel, 3 will be remains, plus 3 into, both are having the same base, add exponents, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 3 by 3 cancel, 3 will be there. So 3 into 3. Okay, na? In the place of this, I can write 3 power 2 by 3, 3 power 1 by 3. Bases are equal, I can add the exponents. So 3 by 3, 3 by 3 value 1. So 3 power 1 value 3 only. And in the place of this, I can write x minus 2. Okay, na? Let us see this. But what we need according to the problem, x cube minus 6x square. Yes, I have x cube minus 6x square availability from the first term and third term. And what I need, 3x minus 2x plus 3x. From that 12x, this 12x I am writing as 3x plus 9x. Can I write? 3x plus 9x is 12x, right? Yeah, 12x. And what I need, minus 2. So from this minus 6 I can write minus 2 minus 6. Minus 8 I can write minus 2 minus 6 is nothing but minus 8. I want this answer. Okay. Let us try to simplify the right hand side. It will be 9 plus 3, 12 plus 3 into 3, 9. 9 into x, 9x minus 9 into 2, 18. Okay, na? Right. I want only this value, nothing but x cube minus 6x squared plus 3x minus 2, that is equals to 9x. 12 minus 18. 12 minus 18 is nothing but minus 6. Okay, now see this one, plus 9x transpose that side becomes minus 9x. Minus 6 transpose plus 6. Now just check. Plus 9x minus 9x cancel. Plus 6 minus 6 cancel. All cancel, answer is 0. So therefore the required answer is 0. Okay, na? So this is the formation of the previous problem. This is the solution of the problem which is given in the exponents and powers topic. Okay, right? So now we are going to enter into the new topic, that is linear equations. Okay, na? Yeah. Let us start the linear equations. So nothing but linear equations also one of the topic in algebra. That means it contains variables and numbers, all those things. You know, variables, what is variable, what is number, you already learned in your previous classes, right? Yeah. So the variables are represented with the literals, nothing but letters, and numbers are represented with the numericals. Okay, no? Constants are represented with the numericals or numbers, whatever. Okay. Now, what is a linear equation? What is a linear equation? For example, what is an equation? Equation means what? An algebraic expression with equal to symbol is called an algebraic equation. An algebraic expression with equality symbol is called algebraic expression. Okay, na? While you are observing that different type of algebraic expressions according to the degree and according to the terms we discussed. Let us see let me discuss it briefly. For example, in previous class we discussed about what is variable and what is constant. We discussed about the variable and constant. Okay, na? And the combination of variables and constant with multiplication symbol forms a term. Again, terms like terms, unlike terms we have discussed, and the combination of terms with plus or minus symbols forms an expression. Okay, na? Combination of terms with plus or minus symbols forms an expression. Again, we discussed about that algebraic expression, numerical expression. Algebraic expression is nothing but an expression containing at least one term is called algebraic expression. Okay, na? Now coming to the algebraic expression, there are some types of algebraic expressions based on the degree, based on the terms, based on degree, based on term. Okay, na? Degree 1 expression is called linear expression or linear polynomial. In algebraic expression we derive it a polynomial also. Polynomial means an algebraic expression containing the variables with non-negative integral powers. Non-negative integral powers, such type of algebraic expressions are called polynomials, like linear polynomial, linear algebraic expression. Okay, na? Degree 1. Degree 2 equation or degree 2 expression is called quadratic. Okay, na? Degree 2 expression is called quadratic expression. Degree 3 expression is cubic. Degree 4 biquadratic, like pentic, etc., like that, and so on. Degree n, nth degree polynomial or nth degree expression, whatever. Okay, na? So based on the term, only one term is called monomial. 2 terms binomial, 3 terms trinomial, like that we discussed. Now coming to the linear equation, degree 1 equation is called linear equation. Degree 1 equation is called linear equation. It is in the form of, again in the linear equation there are two different type of linear equations we are going to learn up to the 10th class. That means linear equation with one variable, linear equation with two variables. Okay na? Linear equation with one variable means what? While you are observing that linear equation which is having a degree 1 as well as only one variable is presenting in that equation, or either x or y, any one letter is presenting in that. Such type of equations are called linear equation in one variable, nothing but simple equation. Let us see that linear equation with one variable. Linear equation with one variable we can take, or simple equation we can call. So degree 1 equation is called linear equation, and linear equation with one variable is in the form of ax plus b equals to 0, or ax plus b equals to c. Here where x is called variable, here only x we are considering, only x we are treating as a variable, where a and b are arbitrary constants or coordinate constants, whatever. That means the linear equation with one variable is in the form of 3x plus 5 equals to 0, or 5x minus 7 equals to 12, 13a plus 4 equals to 17. These are all the examples of linear equation in one variable. Let us see this example. First example, x is a variable, remaining two are constant numbers. Okay. Second, x is a variable. Third one, a is a variable. Okay na? So while you are observing that any linear equation in the one variable is in the form of ax plus b equals to 0. Okay na? And linear equation in two variables is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of linear equation with one variable, and general form of linear equation with two variables. Okay na? Mostly we are going to discuss about this. Right. Okay na? For this example, we can add 3x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0, minus 2 by 3x plus 5y minus 71 equal to 0. These two examples we can take, like so many infinite number of examples we can write. Linear equation in two variable, linear equation in one variable. Okay na? Its general form ax plus b equal to 0. Its general form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Linear equation with one variable also having a name like simple equations. Two variable does not have an equation. Okay na? Now coming to the linear equations, while you represent any equation on a graph paper by using the coordinate geometry topic. If you try to put it on a paper, put it on a graph sheet for this 3x plus y, any one of the linear equation, whether it is a two variable or one variable, the graph of the linear equation always a straight line. It is a straight line. Okay na? The representation, graphical representation of a linear equation with one variable or two variables always gives a straight line. Okay? But okay, we are just discussing about the linear equation, not yet about quadratic equation. For example, quadratic equation if you take, it will give the parabola shape. Graphical representation like this or like this. Parabola. Okay na? So linear equation, one variable, two variable. So it can be straight line, horizontal line or vertical line, whatever, we must have a straight line. Graphical representation of linear equation. Okay. Now coming to the linear equations or coming to the lines, if you are taking any two lines on a graph sheet or a plane, if you are trying to draw two lines or two straight lines on a plane, there are three different types of situations will be forming here actually. That means while you're taking two lines, the first case is the two lines can be intersected. While you're drawing the two lines on a plane or a surface, flat surface, the two lines can be intersect each other at a point. We don't know the point actually. Okay, at any point they can be intersect at a place. This is one situation, and the second situation is the two lines never touch together. Never touch together. That means they can be parallel lines. Okay, na? If you want to draw two straight lines on a plane, there are two different situations will be here. Two different situations until then. One situation they can be meet at a point nothing but intersecting, or they cannot meet nothing but parallel lines. And third option is they can be joined together like this. Okay, na? They are called coincident. Okay, so to represent any two pair of lines on a plane surface, they can be intersect, parallel or coincident. Three conditions will be there. Okay, na? We'll discuss about this later. So present we are in the linear equation with one variable. It gives a straight line as a graph. Okay, and its degree is 1, and the general form of a linear equation is ax plus b equals to 0, where x is a variable and a and b are called coordinate constants or arbitrary constants. Okay. Now, coming to the simplification or solving a linear equation, we are using some different type of methods. Okay, na? To solve an equation, we can use trial and error method. First method we can use trial and error method. Okay. And second method is transpose. And third one we can use balancing method. Three different methods we can apply to solve an linear equation. One is balancing method, transpose method and trial and error method. So among them, transpose method is somewhat easy, balancing method also okay, but trial and error method will take somewhat time. Okay, na? Right. So let us see the some of the concept based questions here. Yeah, practice it. The first problem is the mathematical statements that can be written, so that can be verified either the true or false, but not both. This type of statement is called mathematical statement. Yeah, it is called mathematical statement. When a sentence, we are going to say whether the statement is sentence is true or false. That is called mathematical statement. So answer will be mathematical statements. Okay. Now second question, the number of variables in a simple equation. Simple equation means what? Linear equation in one variable. So how many number of variables will be there? Only one variable. Okay, na? Simple equation, another name is linear equation with one variable. So first one is mathematical statement. How many variables in the simple equation? One variable. Okay. Let us consider. Let us go to the third statement, that is, if x by 2 plus x by 3 equals to 5. X by 2 plus x by 3 equals to 5. We need to identify or we need to find the value of x. Now here, while you are observing x by 2, x by 3, they are looking like unlike fractions. Same, how we are using the unlike fractions addition, same process we are going to do here. 2 and 3 LCM is 6. Okay, na? 2 and 3 LCM is 6. Now 2 table 6 how many times? 3 times. So we can multiply with 3 by 3, or else directly you can try to do like this. 3 into x is 3x plus 2 into x is 2x by 2 3s are 6. Okay, now equals to 5. Now 3x plus 2x like terms we can add 5x. The 6 is dividing, when you transpose that side is going to multiply. 6 into 5, 30. Now x equals to 30 by 5. 5 table 36 times, then x value is 6. Okay, now? So whenever the given equations are having the different bases, different denominators, so let us try to convert it into like fractions. Then try to simplify this. So the answer of x is 6. Okay. Now the fourth question. Let us see the fourth question. 5x minus 8 equals to 5x minus 8 equals to 2x minus 2. Okay, now then the value of x is here. Now while you are observing such type of equations, the variable is being left hand side and right hand side. Both sides we are having the variable. Am I right? Now, but both the variables are same. Only variable x is only being here. Not one side x, one side y is not given. Only x is given from both of the sides. So try to bring all the variables one side, numbers one side. Nothing but constants are one side. Okay. Now I can see 5x is bigger than 2x. Now I am bringing the smaller one this side. Plus 2x, bring this side minus 2x. Now here already minus 2 is presenting. Now minus 8 transpose becomes plus 8. Okay, na? So that implies 5x minus 2x. 5x minus 2x is nothing but 3x equals to 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 value is 6. Now x is equals to 6 by 3, because 3 multiplies when you transpose divides. 3 table 6 how many times? 2 times. So therefore the x value is 2. Okay, na? Yeah, please check this one. We'll go to the next problem. Yeah. Question number 5 is given that 5x minus 3 divided by 1 minus 2x, that is equals to 2 by 5. Am I right? Yes, sorry, minus 12 by 5. Minus 12 by 5, then find the value of x. Now while you are observing this equation, the left hand side is looking like a fraction term, right hand side also fractional form. So when the two fractional numbers having equal to symbol between them, we can do cross multiplication. This process is called cross multiplication. That means the denominator 5x minus 3 multiply with right side denominator 5, and minus 12 is multiply with left side denominator 1 minus 2x. Okay, now try to multiply. 5 into 5x is 25x minus 5 into 3 is 15. Both of the terms we need to multiply. Now here minus 12 into 1 is minus 12. Minus into minus plus 12 to is 24x. Again, same condition, same situation here. Both sides variables. Try to bring all the variables one side, numbers one side. So 25x plus 24x, bring this side minus 24x. And right hand side minus 12 will be there. Now minus 15 transpose becomes plus 15. Now 25x minus 24x is nothing but 1x. 1x means x. 15 minus 12. 15 is positive, minus 12 is negative, so 15 minus 12 is 3. Therefore, the answer is 3. Okay, na? So that's it for today, guys. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.